Hi, this is Adam Voss here, documenting my issue with the Kiwi glider. So I do have a green light on the power plug right now while it is not plugged directly into the chair at this moment. Now I will plug it into the chair. Now we're plugged in. And now the green light is flashing. Sorry. And beyond that, the other two plug locations, it's hard to get in here and show you, but they are indeed connected. So now, if I flip the chair back over, you can see that the buttons are inoperable. It also doesn't charge any USB devices. This is a Kiwi glider, and there's the model number, and that's about it, I think.